So now let's see how we can work around with the gradient map adjustment layer inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here you can see that I have a picture opened up in the expert mode, and if I want to add in the gradient map adjustment layer, I can go around onto the option for this under the layers panel right here, and then once I go around over here you can see that gradient map is an option. So if I were to go around and select, then what happens is that the gradient map is applied right here onto the picture, and you can see the texture right here just like this. You can also go around and reverse it, as you can see. So what this does is it calculates the brightest spot and the darkest spot of an image. So let me just go around and disable this. This is the brightest spot and these are the darkest spot, as you can see. And then according to that, the darkest spot is applied for whatever color it is there on the left right here. And for the brightest spot, whatever color is on the right, that is applied right here. So you can go around over here and select out different gradients, and depending on that, what happens is that the gradient is applied on the entire image, as you can see, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, this is what you have. You can work around with the gradient selection right here and change around how this works. You can go around over here and select out, let's say for example, different colors. So if I were to go around and select it, you can see that the red color is applied right there. If I were to go around over here, then I can go around, select out other color as per my choice right here, just like this. So let me just go around onto color and select this. And this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around and press OK, then this is what you have. So gradient map is applied onto the image, as you can see. We can also reverse the gradient map so that it is applied from the opposite direction, or you can deter it out over here as well to apply it in a different way. So you can see that there's different things, like you can multiply this, you can overlay this, and so forth, as you can see. And you utilize different options from over here as well. So that is how you can use the gradient map inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe